And gentlemen, welcome to Tradecraft Academy. This is Krishna Kumar here. Now let's look into the weekly analysis. What happened last week and how we're going to take a trade for the next week with the support and resistance for the positional trade, guys, in the index. See, in the Nifty 50 entire week, it has been touched on 20. The high has been touched here, guys. This 21,150. It has been touched and it has been rejected to the support of 21,600, and again it has closed for 21,782. It has been closed, guys. Like how we're going to not able to break this week for new high, make it test the new high, life high, but it couldn't break out over there. Then what happened the next week? How we're going to take a trade for the next week, guys? Like you can see, there's a support in the entire week is like 21,600 is a support, guys. Here to the support, same support. Why, if once if it took the support and according to price action, if it go upside, then you can go for the target of 22,000 first target, and second target is like when new high should be will be break around, it might take around 22,200 on the higher side, guys. And what happens if the market comes below, like if unless it is broke below 21,600, it won't come down, guys. There's a support in weekly support is 21,600. Once the 21,600 breaks, according to price action techniques, you can see the target of 21,400 will be the first target, and second target will be like major target is 21,000, guys. This is 21,000. I think you can see this here. It took the support once and it went up. It has been retest again went down, and that's how it happens. Profit booking will be there. That's the reason retest happens, guys. Be careful and book the profits timely. Market is on buy on dips, not other short term rise on market, guys. Is on buy on dips market. These are the targets we get in the weekly analysis for the positional trades in the Nifty 50, guys. Now let's look into the bank Nifty. What happened in the bank Nifty and how we're going to take a trade in the bank Nifty for the entire week, guys. You can see the bank Nifty couldn't make sustain on a higher side. It has been rejected. You can see it has been past from 3 weeks. It is the market is coming down itself. Like what happened last week, like you can see it took the support whole year, guys. That is near 45,000. That is 40 near 40 44,900. That is 44,900. It took the support. I think there was a resist, there was a support in 45,000. It took the support and it went up on the higher of 46,250, and it came down and it is closed around 45,634 points. It has been closed on entire this week. How we're going to take a trade for the next week on the positional side, guys? Here you can see, unless the market breaks above 46,000, guys, unless market breaks above 46,000, you can't go for a call option or buy a future. According to price action techniques, if it's broke above 46,000, you can go for a call option future for the first target of 46,500. Second target will be 47,250 will be second target for the entire week, guys. What the market is now? Now market is getting below. If the market breaks below 45,500, if the market breaks below 45,500, according to price action techniques, you can go for a short or a put option for the target of 45,000, guys. Once the unless the 45,000 broke, once the profit of 45,000 comes, again I'm saying it's a round figure, psychological figure. Most of the option writers will be there. Please book the profits over there for the positional also. Then once the market breaks below 45,000, according to price action techniques, you can go for a short again for 44,500 and 44,000. You can major support over here. We got it, guys. Be cautious, guys. Don't stick on for long. Keep on booking the profits according to the price action technique, guys. Now let's look into the Fin Nifty. How we're going to take a trade? You can see Fin Nifty. Okay, guys. Here you can see Fin Nifty, guys. Here you can see Fin Nifty. Same thing happened in the Bank Nifty. You can see it has keep on falling past from 3 weeks. It's keep on falling from past 3 weeks. What happened last week? It took the support of 20,000. You can see here, guys. It took the support of 20,000 and it went up and came down and closed for 20,200. How we're going to take a trade for the weekly for next week from Monday? That is, you can see one thing, why the market came down in the sense, you can see there's a gap up happen, market came down to cover the gap. We can't say when the market will coming down the gap covering, like anytime it might come. Now it has been come and is cover the gap and it went on a more higher side, guys. Now what happened in the next week, how we're going to take a trade, guys? Unless the market broke below 20,200, that is 20,200. Once the market breaks about below 20,200, according to price action techniques, we can go further than a first target of 20,000, guys. Here with the first target of 20,000, most of the option letters will be careful, is psychological figure, keep booking the profits. Once the 20,000 breaks, according to price action techniques, we can go for a target of 19,700 in the downside, guys. Now what happened if the market sustain above 20,200? Unless the market sustain 20,300, you can't go for a long. You can't go for a long. Once the market sustain about 20,300, according to price action techniques, you can go for a call option or the future buy for the first target of 20,500, second target of 20,800, and third target is 21,000. Will be the third target on the higher side, guys. Is a buy on dip market, guys. Be cautious and keep booking the profits according to the price action techniques. Now let's look into the Sensex, how we're going to take a trade in the Sensex for entire week, like how it has been reacted on this week, guys. You can see Sensex, it has been same how the Nifty will be moving, and same thing the Sensex will be moving, guys. You can see last week it took the support of 71,200, guys. It took the support of 71,200. It went up to a 72,400. It went up and it is closed above 71,600, guys. It's closed out 71,600. How we're going to take a trade for the next week, guys? Unless the market sustain above 71,600, according to the price action techniques, you can go for an call option or buy a future for the target of 73,200 on the higher side, guys. It is a higher side, like keep booking the profit is a new life high will be there. Most of the time it will be rejected. Once the life high breaks above, then you can go for an 74,000 target on the higher side, guys. What about market comes below? Once the market comes below 71,500, 71,500, if it breaks below 71,500, according to price action techniques, you can go for the target of 70,000 first target, and second target will be here. It took the support of 69,200 will be the second target on the downside, guys. Be cautious, guys, in the position trades. Keep on booking the profits according to the price action techniques. Intraday levels on Monday. How we're going to take a trade in the intraday levels with the support and resistance in the index, guys. Previously we learned about the weekly for the positional trades. Now we are going to learn about the intraday levels for the in the index, guys. Now let's look into the how we're going to take a trade on Monday, like in Nifty 50. Unless here you can see it has closed around 71,786, guys. Unless the market broke about 21,800, unless the market breaks about 21,800, according to price action techniques, you can go for the target of 21,950 will be the first target, and second target will be 22,000, guys. And what happened to if the market gap down happens on Monday? Unless the market breaks below 21,750, unless the market breaks below 21,750, according to the price action techniques, you can go for a short or a put option for the first target of 21,700, and second target will be 21,650, and third target will be 21,600 in the downside, guys. Guys, be careful, trade only with the at the money option, so that movement will be very good. Like keep strict stop loss and trade in the index, guys. This is the this is how we are going to take with the support and resistance level in the Nifty 50. Above 21,800, you can go for a call option or buy a future. Below 21,750, you can go for a put option or a short with the futures, guys. Now let's look into the Bank Nifty, how we're going to take a trade in the Bank Nifty on Monday, guys. Here you can see Bank Nifty, what happened, like how we're going to take a trade. Like on Monday, unless the market happens with the gap up, if the market goes for a gap up above 45,700, above 45,700, you can go according to price action techniques, you can go for the target of 46,000, guys. Again, be careful, guys. This is an psychological figure, and most of the option writers will be call option writers will be available, like keep booking the profit around 46,000 guys. Once the 46,000 breaks according to the price action techniques, you can go for the target of 46,200 to 46,500 will be the third target on the higher side, guys. What happened market if gap downs happens? Unless the market broke below 45,600, once the market broke below 45,600, you can go for the put option or the short the future for the first target of 45,500 and second target 45,300 till 45,000. You can go for it, guys. Again, I'm saying be careful. The round figures, most of the options right will keep booking the profit according to the price acting techniques, guys. This is how we're going to take a trade in the bank nifty. Above 45,700, you will get the target of 46,000 and 46,200 and 46,500 at third target. Below 46,000 for 45,600, you get the first target 45,500, 45,300, and third target will be 45,000, guys. Now let's look into the fin nifty, how we're going to take a trade in the fin nifty for the intraday basis, guys. Here you can see, like it has closed around about 20,000 to 29, guys. How we're going to take a trade on a Monday? Unless market gap up tomorrow, like if the market gap ups, like according to price action techniques, you can go for the target of 20,320, 20,360, and 20,400 will be the third target on the higher side, guys. And the fourth target at still 20,500 we can see on the higher side. The market, what happens, the market gap downs, and once the market broke below 20,200, once the market broke below 20,200, according to the price action techniques, you can go for the target of 20,040 will be the first target, and second target will be 20,000 will be second target, and third target will be 19,920 will be the third target on the downside, guys. Be careful, guys. Keep stop loss and play according to the support and resistance level, guys. Like above 20,200, you can go for the target of 20,320, 20,360, 20,400. Below 20,200, you can go for the target of 20,400, sorry, 20,040, 20,000, and 19,920 will be the third target on the downside, guys. Now let's look into the Sensex. How we're going to take a trade on the Sensex on Monday's basis, guys. You can see here in Sensex, it is closed around 21,061, guys. It has closed around 20,600. Once the market breaks above 20, the gap up happens, breaks above 20,700. According to price action techniques, you can go for the first target 21,800 and second target will be 22,000, guys. Be cautious in round figures. Like here, it is a psychological figure. Most of the option writers will be activated. Keep booking the profit around 72,000. Once the 72,000 breaks, according to the price action techniques, you can go for the target of 72,300 will be the second target on the higher side, guys. What happened? Market breaks below. Once the market breaks, a gap down happens is below 71,500. Once the market breaks below 71,500, according to price action techniques, you can go for the first target of 71,200 and second target of 71,000 and third target of 70,800 will be the third target on the downside, guys. Be cautious, guys. Keep strict stop loss and play according to the price action techniques. Above 71,700, you will be getting a target of 71,800, 72,000, and 72,300. Below 71,500, you get the target of 71,200, 71,000, and 70,800 will be the third target, guys. This is how we are going to take a trade with the support and resistance in the index, guys. Be cautious. Play with the strict stop loss, guys. Please subscribe our channel and forward this channel as much as people so that they can learn about the intraday support and resistance level in the index, guys. Thank you.